Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is a garage for helper cars. A pickup truck drives out from the green door. A pickup is a light vehicle that has an open space for small cargo. I wonder what kind of cargo our pickup is carrying. What do you think it is? Oh, long, heavy logs. Look, the crane loads them into the pickup truck. One log. Another one. Third one. So many logs. Pick up. Drive carefully. No, you will not pass here. You can't carry such long logs on a small pickup truck. Three logs rolled into the river. What shall we do? Now the boat can't pass under the bridge. Who will help get the logs out of the water? This is a log truck with a special log grab. The light is green. You can pass, log truck. The log truck drove up to the river, raised the arrow, and opened the log grab. The log truck has a special long platform at the rear to put logs horizontally. Let's also load logs from the pickup onto the log truck platform. 4 logs. 5. And where is the 6th log? Let's look. Here it is, on the riverbank. Pick up the log truck and drive to the sawmill. The pickup truck returns to the garage. The log truck is also driving to the garage. It already finished his work.
Helper cars.